Hello, little learners. Welcome to our fun phonics adventure. Today, we are going to learn all about the marvelous letter M. Are you ready? Let's go. The letter M makes the sound. Say it with me. Mm, mm, mm. Like in monkey, moon, and milk. Great job. Let's sing a song.
The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
Now, let's play a fun game. I'll say a word and you clap if it starts with the M sound. Ready? Let's go. Mango. Yes, it starts with M. Cat. Oops. No M sound there. Mountain. Yes, great job. Wow, you did an amazing job learning the letter M today. Give yourself a big round of applause. If you love learning with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome phonic fun. See you next time. Bye bye.